Do you know your laptop can be spying at you and also making it easier for people to track you? Now, here is how to stop it. But first, if you've not followed me, please hit the follow button. And if you are watching from our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is to press Windows R. And now, this is what you are going to get. So the next thing you want to do, now you want to type services.msc, as you can see on your screen. So now we are going to hit the send button, and right in this place that is going to come up, right here, we are going to look for connected user experiences. So let's look for it, connected user experiences. So this is it here. So now I have double clicked on it. Now the next thing we are going to do is to come to this automatic and put it at disable. Now once you are done with this, you are going to click on OK. Now this is going to prevent your system from sending your data to Microsoft. Number 2. So now we are going to look for Windows Error Reporting Services, which is the one we are seeing here. We are going to double click on it, and we're going to come to this manual and also disable it as well. So once you disable it, you're going to click on OK. So this is going to stop sending your crashes to big tech. Number 3. Now we are going to look for diagnostic policy service, as you see here. Then you are going to double click on it as well. Now we are going to do the same thing. Come here and also disable it. Then we'll click on OK. If you don't do this, your private diagnostics are gone. The 4th one, we are going to look for remote registry. So I'm going to double click on it. The same thing, come here and disable it. So if you don't disable this, hackers can access all these stuffs on your system remotely. Now we are going to cancel this. We are going to just take this down. Now we are going to go back to our system. On the keyboard, we are going to press on Windows R again. So Windows R. So this is what has come up. So we are going to type msconfig. Please follow what is written on the screen so you can be sure. So msconfig. This is it. Hit on enter, and this is going to come up. So let me shift the camera closer so that we can see this very clear. So this is it right now. So I'm going to click on services. So you can see the arrow here, services. Now I'm going to also click on hide all Microsoft services. This is what we want to do. Then the next thing we want to do is disable all. And so once this is done, you click on OK. So we are going to click on restart. Then wait for it to completely restart. So don't forget to restart your system after this process, and also like this video. If you've not followed us, please hit the follow button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next one.